Selamat pagi! Good morning everyone, Kenneth here and welcome to another quick tutorial video, and this time I'm going to teach you how to fix pairing problems that happen in your earbuds released in 2021 year or onwards. So if you have an older earbud such as this Redmi Air.S right here or any older QCY Halo models, you can click on the link up here and follow the instructions right there because they are a bit different and actually they are a bit more simpler in these earbuds nowadays. So I try to cover as much type as I can, and first things first, we need to identify what is a pairing problem. Basically, these are a rare occasion. I never really encountered one myself nowadays, but the pairing problem happens when your phone is connected to both the left and the right side separately. So audio will only play on either side, not both sides as stereo. So that's when you know you need a factory reset, and we're gonna go to the simplest method of all. First things first, such as this Moondrop Neko Cake. Basically, any earbuds with a button, physical button on a case like this, what you need to do is just open the lid, you hold this button for 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it will show up as a little amber or like whatever it signals as a reset, and basically it'll factory reset both earbuds. You can take them out and let them do the pairing once again, and basically that is done now. As you can see right here, Moondrop Neko Cake is ready to pair. You just click on that, one pairing name, and both will play as a stereo pair. Okay, so that's method number one, but what if your case doesn't have a button like this? For example, let's take the earphone right here. This is the Earphone Free Pro 2. Basically, what you need to do is just open the case, put both the earbuds inside the case, make sure it has some charge inside, and then you hold both buttons for 10 seconds. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And basically you can see the LED flashing more quickly right there, and after that it will pause and you can take the earbuds both out again. And this method will also work with any Qualcomm KCC3040 chip equipped earbuds. So for example, this Halo W1 right here, make sure the case has enough battery inside. You just hold both touch sensors for 10 seconds and watch out for the LED to blink quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. It blinks quickly. It is pairing to each other. And basically that is paired now. So you can take the earbuds out and pair it to your device one more time. So that's good. And finally, the last one is for Redmi Buds 3 Lite. So generally the things are the same, but you only need to hold for 5 seconds in these earbuds. Keep a lookout for these LED right here. Make sure the case has enough charge and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it should blink any time now. There you go. It blinks 3 times, and then you can take the earbuds out now and basically pair to your phone once again. There you go. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the tutorial video. I hope it helped you solve your pairing problems, and that's pretty much it for the video. Stay tuned for more reviews in the future, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up if this video helped you out. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm Kenneth, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.